Okay, facts of the case, very simple, very important. Facts of the case should never be mathematical. It should be like this. Always think of these two things only, okay? That if a judge is reading this at 3 a.m. and needs to sleep, hasn't slept the previous day also properly, will your narrative put him to sleep before he finishes, or will your narrative prevent him from sleep? Okay, a good PIL will prevent him from sleeping. Okay. Second test, will your colleague be able, who's a lawyer or a law student, be able to read it and understand in the first reading, or will he need to study it 5-6 times? Okay, you don't like reading all those complicated textbooks for exams, right? Because you have to read them over and over and over and over again. So you don't want to write like that. Okay. So first you introduce yourself. Okay. First para will be about the petitioner. We did this in the synopsis. Here it will be much bigger. Okay, when the association was created, how many members are there, all of that. Okay, you will write under what jurisdiction you have approached the court. You will tell why you have come. You will write how public interest is involved. So it's very important. You can show lawyer's interest, but lawyer's interest is bigger. It is client's interest. A client needs access to justice, and clients from other states need it, and their lawyers, they should be able to represent through their lawyers. Okay, if you make it about lawyers, then it's a narrower category. Definitely it's about lawyers, but the bigger idea is preventing access to justice to Supreme Court by clients, and also causing hardship for lawyers. Okay, non-Delhi based lawyers are being discriminated against in the era of pandemic, right? So that is the public interest that is being involved. Okay, now we are explaining the public interest, and you will say it again in the grounds. Okay, you can show multiple categories of discrimination. Okay, after that you start with detailed facts. It should explain the list of dates and how do they look collectively. It is quite big. Okay, you can read this. I'll move on like this. Information about the petitioner association. Annexure shows their constitutional documents, their memorandum, advisory of the government, all of that. Okay, so got a sense, you have to build a bigger narrative with the facts.